Hi, in this video, we'll talk about the Big Pro Store review and if it's actually legit or not. So, here are some key issues. It has suspicious contact information because the address and phone number appears to be fake or non-functional. It also have unrealistic pricing because it's priced significantly lower than on your reputable site, which raises doubts about quality and authenticity. It also have lack of customer reviews or few reviews, which is unusual for established online store. It also has poor website design because it looks unprofessional with generic product description and layout similar to known scam sites. The refund policy is also vague and difficult to understand, which can complicate returns and refunds for customers. Given these red flags, I advise you to actually not engage with this big store review. However, if you still want to, it's actually up to you. So that's all there is to know about Big Store right here. And I hope this video helped you out.